Hey guys, it's Joey, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. This one is in a B6 size because that is my current size that I am in. So let's open it up. Warranty card, their sticker for this month, my receipt, which I'm going to throw over there. All right, here we go. So this was a second chance. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see. Okay, this is the back, as you can tell. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's the front. I don't know what I was thinking. It's the front. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at, that is amazing. Holy cow. That's beautiful. Okay, so I got a creme brulee. No, not a creme brulee. What am I saying? Sorry, I got an Emma earlier last week, and it was okay. It was very nice. I enjoyed it, but my dog chewed it, which made me super sad because then I had to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it to try to get out the unbelievable deep teeth marks that were in it. And I was so sad about that. And I always wanted to order, I think this right here is the reason why this is a second chance. I think. Maybe this, I don't know why this would be a second chance. I gotta be honest with you guys, I've had way more luck enjoying my second chance Chic Sparrow notebooks than actually enjoying my notebooks that I got just the normal priced notebooks. Both times that I've ordered a second chance, and both times that I have ordered a second chance, both times it has beat what I've gotten hands down from when I just order it off of their regular website area for that specific notebook. But yeah, you guys, like, I could look at this all the time. This is so pretty. Wow, that is amazing. That character, like, that is amazing. Look at that. So the outside is not nearly as, like, this is super glossy, like super glossy and super smooth. The outside has a little more texture and is not nearly as glossy, but it's still, I mean, it's still shiny. It's just not nearly as like, this is amazing. Like, I wish I could get a notebook that's like this, like, all the time. So that's amazing. I know it wouldn't stay that way, but yeah. Anyways, so I wanted to share my unboxing with you. I don't know what would have caused this to be a second chance. I can't quite figure out what would have caused it to be a second chance. Yeah, I don't know. But I'll take it. The only thing I can think is this little tiny little mark right here that kind of looks like maybe a machine might have scratched it or something, but it does not, like, that is definitely not something that I would consider to bad enough for second chance. I don't know. Anyways, I love it. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I know this is super short, but I will plan on moving into this fairly soon. I feel like this is, right now I'm in a Emma, and like I just said, but I want to plan on staying in that. I can spit words out. Words are hard tonight. I'm going to stay in that for another month or so, and I feel like this is what I want to move into for fall. I may not be able to hold off though. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.